What's up, gang? It's Luke Williford with the Wash House Laundromats. Today we're at our newest location at 4000 Atlantic Avenue, Raleigh, North Carolina. We've just bought two stores, one over at 6820 Davis Circle in Raleigh off of Glenwood Avenue, and this one here at 4000 Atlantic. And we're excited. We're going to be renovating both locations and turning them into the Wash House Laundromat locations. Stay tuned. We took them over. They're going to continue to operate with the equipment that's in there and the layout that's in there, but we'll be making some updates. But we're excited to share with you the Wash House Laundromat, two new locations coming to Raleigh, North Carolina. What's up, guys? It's Luke with the Williford Brothers and the Wash House Laundromats. Today we're at our newest location. We actually acquired two new locations this past Friday. Today's Monday, so we just had our first weekend. We're excited about these two locations. This one specifically, we had looked for somewhere to rent in this area and couldn't find it. I've built a relationship with the owner here for a while, and finally we came to terms. It's a hip store, 2015 machines through 2019, CCI laundry card, but it continues to stay operational. We'll clear out a lot of this stuff, but it's got great equipment here. We're actually going to put this on the used market and should be able to help somebody get into the laundromat business, and we'll come back and put all Dexters in here. We're going to change the layout. You see how the layout has the machines, which creates some dead ends. So what we do is we blow it out, and the washers will actually face the dryers, which we like to call a shotgun layout. So right up here where this first vending machine is will be the first washer, and then we'll go all the way down, which will give us this big hallway in the middle for safety. Everybody can see and whatnot. There was a coin machine here, just got to tell you, had tons of quarters in it. I've never seen anything like it. It was a soap machine with a push coin, 75 cents, but it had over $2,000 in it. It had been sitting there and just taking people's money for quite some time. So we got that off the wall. But yeah, the terminals are over here. Originally this was a 10,000 square foot dry cleaners and laundromat. The laundromat's 4,000 square feet and the dry cleaners was 6,000 square feet. The guy closed the dry cleaners and actually built a Eggs Up Grill, which is a popular breakfast restaurant franchise, and he's doing that now. So he was the owner of the laundromat. He owns the building. So we actually bought the laundromat from him with the asset purchase agreement, and then we put in place a new lease for this 4,000 square foot space. We're excited about what we're going to do with it, but while we're waiting on our machines to come in and our planning phase, we'll continue to run and operate, and then once our new machines come in, we'll go to work to get it converted, and then we'll rebrand it the Wash House Laundromat. So we're excited about it. Like I said, this is one of two locations. He would not sell this location unless we bought his other location. The other location, he did not own the property. He actually leased. So we had to take over his lease there, which had about 10 years left on it, so that was fine. We met the landlord. She was excited about the updates that we'll do. We'll also be filming in that location. This one we're going to call Davis Circle because it's on Davis Circle here in Raleigh, North Carolina. The other one we'll call Atlantic. So yeah, we've cleaned this out now, but if you were here, we took out a whole dumpster load of trash out of here. These go into what we call a trough or a manifold. So all the dryer ducts go into one and then goes out the roof. With permission, we will be going up and out individually. Here they have the makeup air on the side, so this is our makeup air for the dryers, and then they've got their exhaust going out the roof, but they all pipe together. We like to change that and have them individually piped. They just function a little bit better that way. And if we do that, we'll make that up there our makeup air, and we'll actually close this makeup air off. That way the lint doesn't filter back in. But yeah, big area back here. Technicians are gonna like this, plenty of room to work. So we'll keep similarly this dryer layout. We'll use the same electrical and whatnot for our new machines. But yeah, you could not walk back here when we took this over. And a lot of times people follow just the path of least resistance, so junk, it just continues to pile up back here. So on Friday, we had our crew was just rolling, just trying to clean everything up, make it safe as possible. But yeah, it's gonna be good. All right, so one of the things we might do here is while we're waiting on our washers and dryers, because the payment system is a little bit problematic just because some of these readers, the stripe and the swipe is just hard to take, and we don't have a whole lot of built up inventory, so we may take this off and put our payment system on these machines until our new washers and dryers come in. This will make it a lot easier on our customers, and we'll keep a terminal around from the previous payment system laundry card. That way, if somebody has value on it, we'll just throw that value onto a wash house card. So that's what we're going to measure today. One thing different about HIPS machines is you have to have 2 readers per machine. So it's a little bit different. Most machines have 1 control, and it would be 1 reader, so it's a number of readers. But our payment system, Freedom by IPS, which is our exclusive proprietary payment system, we will put on these machines just for the next few months as we run this equipment until our new machines get in and we do our new layout. So just a little bit of information there. The other store that we got is Coin, and we will continue to run it Coin. But you'll see when we get over there, there's like a different key for almost every coin box, and we're not sure who might have had keys, so we're trying to find some coin boxes just to change that over. But we'll only operate that one for just a few weeks before our new machines come in, because we just ordered our new machines for that one. What's up, everybody? We're at our newest location. This is the second of 2. We're going to call this Atlantic. It's at 4000 Atlantic Avenue here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Right now they sublease to a flower shop. We are going to be renovating this place. We've taken out a lot of different stuff, cleaning the equipment. We've already sold this used equipment to a friend of ours, but we'll be blowing this whole place out and making it one big laundry. Right now it's about a 3,500 square foot laundromat, and then it's 6,400 square feet total, but they're only utilizing about 3,000 square feet for the laundromat. So we're gonna blow it out and use all 6,400 square feet. I'll show you that real quick. So they had like a vent space back here, and we've already taken out several box trucks and dumpster loads full of just stuff, but it's a lot of space back here that you're having to pay rent for, so you might as well utilize it. So when we renovate, we're going to make it one big laundry. You can see there was just piles of stuff. We have I think this is the second 30-yard dumpster that we filled up just with stuff that was behind the dryers and in different rooms. So we'll be cleaning this out and preparing for our renovations, which will happen in the next few months. This is a coin store now, and you can see the utilities. They have these piped in. We'll be changing all that, of course, and going with new washers here in great shape, HIPS washers, but we've sold those to some friends of ours, and dryers as well. But we're going to run this right now until our new equipment comes in, and we're going to blow this place out and make it the wash house laundromats. We're excited about it. This will be one of our largest locations, so should be good. We're here at the Brentwood Shopping Center, and we just purchased this laundromat. It was a package of 2 laundromats from the same laundromat owner. Here he had a lease with the landlord. Last week the landlord wanted to meet us here, and we were able to meet with the landlord and kind of show him our plans. And actually this shopping center is dated. It needs some updating, and was one of the reasons we really didn't want this location, but he wouldn't sell the other location unless we got this one with it. So was able to make a deal. We'll be renovating the place, and we're working with the landlord to spruce up the whole building. So we want to revitalize the whole shopping center and help them do that, because we're going to occupy a pretty big portion, 6,400 square feet right here. We'll make it real nice, and there's tons of upfront parking, and we were kind of pleasantly surprised by how much business has come through so far. We think this is just going to be a good area, and we'll be helping revitalize this shopping center. There's not much vacancy, it just hasn't been invested in, so we're excited to invest in the shopping center, and the landlord said they're going to follow suit and paint the shopping center and fix the parking lot and whatnot. So we're excited to be here, and yeah, we're going to blow it out and make it the wash house laundromat location. So when we bought this laundromat the current owner had 6,400 square feet. He was leasing to an alteration shop, subleasing a portion of his space, and also subleasing a massive part of his storefront to a flower shop. We've worked with the flower shop here, and they're actually going to move to another space within here, but we don't typically sublease like that. We take the whole space. We want to own everything inside of it. Some people do that to subsidize their rent, so it reduces their amount of rent by allowing, but for us, we want to use the whole space. So we're going to have the whole storefront. We'll take all of this signage out of it, and the alteration shop as well as the flower shop. We're working with them. We don't want them to go out of business. We want to help get them in another spot here within the shopping center or somewhere close by, so they can keep their customer base. But we have leased this whole place, and we will be utilizing all the space. And yeah, we try not to make any different things at locations. We try to use the same color, same water heaters, same model. We don't want to sublease at some locations and not at others. But we try to kind of have the Chick-fil-A model do the same thing, provide and create a great customer experience and duplicate that. And we found that more people come and wash clothes. People who are already washing here will wash more clothes. So we're excited to do that at this location, and we're helping these sub-tenants find new locations.